Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place as Seychelle speaks messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start with the read. And what is that you need to hear in this time frame? Okay, these are going to be timeless. Somebody need your answer. Okay, they want some kind of reciprocation, some kind of reply. Okay, there could be some question that they have asked or they're about to ask you. So some of you need to know that they've already asked. Okay, so you'll know if it goes for you. Aquarius. So if you wish to support the channel, you may do so via PayPal, via GPay, via UPI ID. What else? um some of you might be into photography. Okay, I've picked this message prior as well in one of my readings. Some of you are into this field. Okay, very specific and one, I mean, listening to me. So you may be a photographer in any stream like modeling or like traveling, or could be of dishes, cuisines, and all that stuff. So this is variety, but someone is into that. Okay, heavy breath someone is going through. Okay, maybe like feeling like short of breath, and that is why taking like time to like do this, like literally like this, and I'm feeling really heavy. Okay, so someone's energy that I'm catching on today is that this person is feeling, I'm also hearing the word um okay, just give me a second. So I don't want to pause the video, but I'm feeling suddenly thirsty. Someone is feeling disoriented, possible, okay, for some reason here. Now, this is going to be, have I said this for Aquarius? I mean, they are trying to calm their heart like this, okay? Everything's going to be okay. All is well. All is going to be okay. But the thing over here is that um, something is a craving in them. They urge, they crave for your replies, or if it's yet not happening, it is going to, because there is this energy I see. I do see this person's energy, and I see it as male energy, he him energy, 110% for some of you. So some of you might be the ones listening to me and you're dealing with your situation, but I do feel like there is this person. I do feel very strong. This is a masculine energy, male vibe. Okay. Okay. Just give me a second. This glass. There is some kind of churning. CHURNING. These messages right away coming. Some kind of churning is going on in someone's life regarding matters, different matters, or churning of emotions. Yes, definitely, but something is going around or in this person's life, whoever is looking in your direction, because I do feel like they wish to ask you something very specific very soon. Okay, if yet not here, they so want to ask you something, and that is like it's telling me it's coming. It's coming. Yes, around, I feel like some of you are going to hear something very specific in July, most probably in first 15 days. That's what they are giving me the message, and this reading is not personal, so may or may not resonate with all of you, but I kind of get this very specific message. um yes, they're going to ask you something very specific regarding emotions and all that stuff in July, or when rain shall happen, like rainfall is going to start very, very, very much. Okay, it's time in that time frame when the extreme is going to happen. Okay, I literally see people are going through their own life churning and all that. They have no time, hardly have time to focus on self, which is very important. But then again, something is going in your life where maybe this is about your life as well, specific Aquariuses. some kind of churning is like, what happened? Was a glitch. Okay, churning is happening. All right. So I'm going to shuffle this more, but you have this Knight of Cups. It could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but there is someone who is very specific thinking about. So if you're new to the channel, um, I always tell that there are messages on me. Today it's this. Okay, and it's not rose, but it's. I feel like, is it a? This is. I think it's. I'm not remembering the name. I'm sorry. Um, Poppy or some kind of flower is that also, like they resemble like this. Okay, which is very insane because in my own place, like where flowers are, there is one this right now. I think they were full, the plant was full prior, but I couldn't check. Okay, now whatever is hidden in this person's heart, it's coming through. Okay, and I'm not saying that for all it's going to be like, maybe the finalization or something is going to happen in July. You see, like a big confession kind of, or something that they or you both are going to talk about, and you people are going to go ahead with things like, confession and all that stuff, and this person will do that. Mm, but for some of you, this is like maybe just the brewing stage of, like, going slow and yes, steady, very much. Someone over here is also remembering good old days. I'm feeling really weird, not eerie, but weird, like kind of energy which is making me feel awkward, or maybe someone is feeling awkward, and maybe that is the reason, because I'm feeling little bit uncomfortable, awkward, and maybe that is the reason that this person, whoever we are talking about, the energy is really awkward. Like, they feel awkward in asking something from you. They're going to feel really awkward asking you something very specific. Look at this. So what is this awkwardness is of the lovers? Gemini could be, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but this is what they're going to feel, or they're feeling right now, because they're looking at you like something, like they don't know why so much of intense or so much of intensity is here. Okay, getting closer to you, or wanting to get close to you. Yes, that's why maybe awkward. Maybe that is also the reason they're feeling awkward. Okay, so you have King of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, maybe falling in someone's chart, but or this person. Okay, I just want to remove this element, sign, anything. But what I feel very strong here is that someone is claiming this in the coming time. At least they are claiming. I don't know about you, because this is someone who is coming around to tell you the truth. Okay, they are going to come around and they're ready for this marathon. They're ready for this passion. They're ready for this thing of, like, I have these things for you. Okay, um they have intensity. Something is very specific about their eyes as well. It's very specific feature possible, eyes. Okay, could be green eyes for some. For some, this is like dark brown or light brown and green. Okay, I'm picking three colors. Um, this person is coming as in, like, to claim, and if you're also ready, they want to claim you in a good and in a very gesture like way, good way. Um, the Chariot could be Cancerian, a soft-hearted person, but a decision maker. Okay, because yes, and there is also travel in cards. like not right away, but yes, when I picked on July, so maybe then. But there is someone who's there, as I said, and also someone who could be, you know, just they're interested in walking up to you and telling you something. Okay, because for them, you're like you're like an ocean. Okay, and eyes is very specific feature here, theirs and yours as well. But they're courageous, but also smart, courageous, but also um, soft-hearted person. Okay, so there is this character, as I said, there's a person in the territory. Like it's what the words I'm hearing is examining. Someone is examining. Is that the right word? Like examination or examining particular area or territory. What is going to be in the now? They're saying that Aquarius is you, whether you're female or male listening to me, it's been long you've been handling like two bags in a row. Like they both are heavy, just leave the one because you don't need it because it's not yours. It is not your duty to take care of that particular bag or, luggage or something. You need to let it go so that you can just walk on this new path if you desire. Okay, this new interest, like decide, prioritize for yourself because you really need to. Okay, what is going to happen for you? Mhm. am hearing for Aquarius, channeling is happening, not my channeling, it's channeling, of course I am doing it, but channeling of someone who is channeling something towards you. 12 recording time portal wheel is going to be thin in a way of like connecting to energies. Okay, someone is there, their presence is going to be so strong and so appealing and maybe so convincing that you'll think about it. You will definitely think about. They are going to make you feel like a child, like they're going to pamper you like via words and gestures and talk. I'm also hearing soul, so maybe a soul connection we can say. What is, please give us souls and spirits. Okay. Okay, this Six of Swords energy. I feel like someone who is going to give you grounding, someone who is going to stop you from overthinking, someone who is going to stop you from moving in any direction, means not in a negative direction. So basically, they are going to stop at your place and they're going to be there in your mind and they're going to stay there. So it's not a movement, rather, it's like more of messages coming all the way, not to stress you, but to make you happy. I do Six of Swords is here reversed. Like it's not going this time. It's not going to be something that you have to leave. You have to overthink, and it's going to be soothing you. Like it's going to just like you go with the flow kind of energy. Okay, this is what this particular thing is saying, and you need not to overthink all the time. And this person's presence is going to make you feel in a certain way, which is going to be more important for you than to overthink. There's no overthinking here. I feel like this connection, what things are going to be sorting out and messages are going to be arriving, and what they're trying to convey maybe is that you need not to make effort here because this person is going to make the effort. Now you're going to be just visualizing things, witnessing things, learning things, reading things, and what hearing things, okay, from this person, receiving things. And it's very like I'm feeling very like short of breath kind of. Whoever this person is also feeling this way regarding you, and they don't want you to move away. Okay, they don't want you to move away. So I kind of feel like unable to move energy. This person cannot move away from you, they're unable to move on. Okay, like away, no, they want to stay here. So such a person is going to be here and coming, or they're already here. 6 months going to be important. the change you're going to see in 2026, of course, total 6 months or coming 6 months as per your timelines. But for some of you, this could be right from January, February, March, April, May, June. In June, and I picked on July, so leaving June possible. That is the energy. What is coming in future? Souls and spirits, please give me the message. Keep getting the message, and it's really, really awkward to say this, but someone is feeling incomplete without you. They don't feel complete without you. Okay. Yes, they don't feel complete without you. They feel at like a loss or at crossroads, but like kind of like a loss. So someone is going to be afraid to lose you. They're already afraid to lose you. Um, they want like your attention. Um, yes, this person is holding on to because like you're stuck in their mind. Something is platonic right now. It's platonic. It's but kind of like care and affection and comprehending each other scenario. That's what I see here very strong. Um, yeah, Three of Cups energy. It's kind of tripling, but maybe someone is your friend already and they just don't want to be just friends. But there's also get together that is happening. Okay, unable to move and they want to be maybe okay for some cases right away messages coming. Someone does want to be a friend again. Someone want to reunite with you again. They want to be together with you again. At least they want to be friends with you because of course there was something, but now I do feel um, someone lost that opportunity or something like that. But I do feel like it's kind of like something that is written in like a constellation is there, okay, and it's indicating something. Many of you, if I say something here and there, no offense, okay, sometimes it does happen because so many messages come. Seventh month is going to be important, so January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Okay, I said so in the early, of course I said right. Okay, so there is something that is going to bring two energies together again. Maybe it's because of the third person, like third friend or someone like that. But if that is not the case, what I see here is someone is they're so interested in becoming your friend and they don't want to lose this, and then they want to see where this goes because I feel very strong. Let's take out the card because what is speak up in the future? It's connected definitely with some kind of offer. Let's see. Like, you know what I want to say? I felt as if like, am I going to do the reading today or not? And then I felt like, okay, let's do it. And then when I'm recording, I feel like so tired right now, as if like I'm picking on someone's energy who's so tired of waiting, who's so tired of not letting you know what they feel because their heart is feeling heavy. And that's what I am feeling right now, to be honest, very honest. And it's crazy because we do get drained when taking on the energy, and that's what I'm feeling right now. Okay, so you have Nine of Cups reverse. Now the thing is there that this person, they they know that you're the one, but it's driving them crazy not to tell you because you are their wish. But how they're going to claim it because you are also their friend, okay? But hidden something. I gave the word hidden right prior. So Nine of Cups, I mean, they just so they want to tell you that I just don't think you as only a friend. Yes, you are my friend. Yes, I want to be your friend, but I don't want to be just friends. So the thing is, like, whatever is platonic, I want to take this ahead. I do feel that kind of energy. Okay, just something is hidden. Let me see. Someone is checking status, your status, every time. Every time. It's very mysterious that they can't help it, but they're thinking about you. Look, it's a free will, first of all. Okay, it's something that's free. Free means with no complications. And this is also free will of someone. I do feel that. I mean, they just don't want to lose you. Okay, look, there was like this. They don't want to lose you. It's a confession with a free will. So big confession is coming. I'm telling you that. It's like some signal they want or possible, and then there's a key. Okay, there's a key. So they want to open your heart so that you can be free. You know, with the free will, you can also talk to them. So take care and see you soon. Bye bye.